purest tides. Nature's beauty in every sight we see, from the mountains high to the deep blue sea. In the songs of birds and the rivers flow, nature's beauty everywhere we go. Walking by the seaside where the waves kiss the shore, feel the sand beneath our feet, can't ask for more. Sunset paints the sky with colors so divine. In this perfect moment, everything aligns. Nature's beauty in every sight we